Hi folks, and welcome to Masterclass. In this one, I'm going to address a problem that seems to plague some people continuously, is getting the aspect of your forward fold camper tent correct, as in the forward back aspect. People keep complaining on social media, oh, I only get it right half the time, oh, my zipper doesn't sit straight on my door. If your zipper's your guide and you look at it and it is sitting forward that way, I can tell you absolutely, categorically, the pole that runs up from the main pole here forward into the top front corner of the tent is too long. Simple as that. You've extended it too far, which is pulling the whole tent forward. If you don't retract that pole, it won't ever sit right, not ever. So you need to then adjust that pole back. The forward poles that sit upright, the small ones with the rubber boot and the C-clip on the top, they will remain pretty much static in their length because the distance from the bottom to the top corner is going to remain the same. But don't extend them that far that you start pushing the bow pole across the front up so it's pulling the Velcro up and looks out of shape. It needs to sit neatly in the corner, the two little vertical poles there. Then this one, adjust it until it's right. Remember that, folks, if the tent is sitting forward and you've got your spreader poles in, that pole that runs up there is too long. Back it off, readjust your spreader poles, and your tent will come back into the correct position. Same if the zipper is sitting backwards, then that pole's not extended far enough. That is the key. That pole plus the two little upright ones set the entire aspect for the tent. Hopefully, folks, that'll help you get it right every time, first time. Take your time, and remember, zip up all the windows and doors before you even start adjusting the poles. For more great tips like this, go to our YouTube channel and check out the entire masterclass, and follow us on Facebook so you can see each new masterclass as we post it.